How to hack Elementor in WordPress to use a lot of the premium features completely free. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to Edit with Elementor on the homepage for our business website called KelmanWebDesign.com. And you're going to notice that if I select this container here and go to Advanced and scroll all the way down and click on Custom CSS, you're going to see that it's not going to let us add custom CSS unless we upgrade and pay for the Pro version. But I'm going to show you guys how to do this anyways without having to pay. So what I want to do is add a heading like this, but I want to be able to add my own styling and my own custom attributes to the HTML. So instead of adding a normal heading in Elementor like this, I'm going to go up here to search and type HTML, and I'm going to drag this one down below where it says the best solutions for our clients. And now what I want to do is I actually want to navigate to the live version of the website. And once I get here, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to copy this text. Then I'm going to go up here to the top of the screen, right click and hit view page source. Now I'm going to hit Control F and I'm going to paste in that text right here. And all I want is this element. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this whole thing here and then just copy it with Control C. We can close out of that for now and go back to our Edit Home with Elementor page. And in the HTML code section here, I'm going to go ahead and paste that code, and you're going to notice that it appears exactly the same as this heading, except that it's not centered. But now I'm going to show you guys how to add custom styling so easy. All you have to do is go into this first H2 tag, type in style like normal CSS, make sure you add all your proper equal signs and quotation marks, and then I can just start adding features just like this without having to pay for the Pro version. You guys will notice that that's in the center. Now let's say I want to add something really specific like a transform style to this. I can go transform, rotate, and then just type in whatever I want right here. So I'm going to turn it 90 degrees. Boom, and you're gonna notice that it works completely fine and I didn't have to pay for the Pro version. But obviously this second style here that I added is pretty ridiculous, so that's not gonna work. But you can add whatever you want here. And my other issue was I needed an ID for something specific that I was trying to do because I needed to target specifically this element up here the other day. So what you can do is you can also add IDs here, and you can say like best solutions, for example, and then you can target this ID with JavaScript, or you can target it with another HTML element and just link directly here to this instead of having to link to this page entirely. But I'm going to go ahead and delete that for now because I don't necessarily need it, and then update my live website here. And now I want to show you guys how you can work around the forms in Elementor. So you're going to notice if I type in form right here, it's going to give me a few options, but normally you would not have this WP forms option here. You would only have this form, this search form, and adding additional information right here. So you'd only have these three, and when you click on it, it's going to try and force you to upgrade and pay money. But instead of doing that, you can get this completely free to use form right here, and all you have to do to get that is navigate back to your WordPress dashboard, scroll down to where it says plugins, and what you want to do is add a new plugin. So we're going to click add new plugin here, and we're simply going to search for WP forms. And this is not the only plugin that will do this, but this is the most common and well-tested one out there for free forms on WordPress. And you can just install and activate this plugin right here. But in my case, I already have it installed and activated. And once the install and activation is done, all you have to do is go back to your Elementor page, refresh it to make sure that it will successfully pop up with that download. And now you can search for WP form and just click and drag in the form wherever you want. And keep in mind, you can create a custom form in this as well. I already have 2 created, but that's outside the scope of this video. I'll show you guys that in another video. So at every turn when you use Elementor, it's going to want you to upgrade to the Pro version. But for 99% of the Pro features, you can find a completely free workaround. If you guys aren't able to get some of these to work that I showed you today, or you guys need help finding a workaround for a different feature without having to buy the Pro version, go down in the comments and let us know what you need, and we will help you find a workaround for that. I hope the video helped out today and will save you guys a lot of money working in WordPress and Elementor. Thanks for watching.